JD Cap 26 Registry Tips and Pearson Hobbies. I'm going to show you how to use a thumb drive. And there's a little latch right here. You see the latch right there? To open up, you open it up like that. And this part is the thumb drive right there. See how it's rectangular? And that fits into your computer. Okay, I'll show you where on the computer to do that. Okay, so I have this USB hub right here. And you got to find the right side. And you stick it in there like that. And see how it lights up? I'm sorry. See how it lights up and it blinks? And then bingo, right there. See USB disk? It lands up on your computer. So let me just get a hold of this camera here. And what you want to do is you want to double click. It opens up the folder, the USB, and it's going to load what's on that USB disk. Okay, and see all the pictures I have on there and everything? And that's how it loads, okay? And then you can just drag one. You could drag one to your desktop or all of them to your desktop, and they'll copy to your desktop or a folder. So that's what I want to show you today. You just close it out, and you can eject the disk afterwards. You go to eject, and you'll see it there. It's kind of hard for me to see, but it's right there. Eject the disk, and then after you're done, you just pull it out of the here, right here. Okay, and that's how you use a USB. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm here to help you. Rate and subscribe and leave comments. We'll see you next time.